I hope it. Am I back? Hello, hello. How much is using? It's better. It's only using 30% now instead of 50%, so that's good. I don't know if the quality of the video changed or not. I won't really know until after I'm done. Or if somebody wants to tell me if it looks any different. I just changed the... What did I do? I changed it to advanced settings, and then I changed it to NVIDIA, as Pigley had suggested. And then I didn't change anything else. Oh, I didn't change the bitrate. Well, if it looks the same, then I'm not going to change the bitrate. Because I think before I was at 6,000. Now I'm at... Well, this is significantly less. Oh. Yeah, YouTube is... Okay, YouTube is yelling at me that my bitrate's too low. I'm going to change the bitrate. Can I change it while I'm streaming? Let's go to 6,000. And CPU still holding strong. All right, let's go up to 7,000. Yeah, okay, whatever. Well, I set it at 7,000. I'll see afterwards if it looks any different. But if y'all think it looks the same, that's good enough for me. Yeah, it's staying at... Oh, wow, no, never mind. It's down to 18% CPU. Okay. No, this is way better. I don't stream very much. Some sort of starting for Going Hunter. Yeah, YouTube is saying, this is what YouTube is yelling at me. This is what it says. So I'm just obeying Master YouTube. So yeah, I streamed on Twitch like 10 years ago. But I can't be bothered to do that anymore. So yeah, what I was saying about... Oh man, this is great. I have so much CPU now. What I was working on with Hibram. Kira, I don't know if you're still here, but I'm going to talk about it anyways. Is I want to get them to a spot where they can just not die. Because Hibram sucks, because it does Hell Judgment. And that hurts. But I also didn't want the sniper's attacks being blocked by Numa. So I need the Numa to keep them alive, but I also need the sniper to be able to hit some things. Thank you again, Pigley. So I need the sniper to move out of... Let's just slow this down. I need the sniper to move out. Okay, I think this does have it. Move out of Numa's. So when she's in a Numa, she'll try to move out. But also keep attacking. However, I think in this video, it wasn't done yet. Also, I think this layout was really bad too. He gets stuck in between the... Or maybe it was okay. I think it might have been okay that they got stuck in the chairs, because then they had nowhere else. They were just all stacked up. Yeah, so there's the Numa. She tries to find a new position. Okay, this is what was bad. So what would happen is she'd be standing on Numa, move over. What does the OBS look like? It looks like crap. Remove that. Yep, there we go. So she keeps going back and forth between being over here, where she's being told to group up, and going over here to get away from Numa and try to shoot. So she got stuck just going back and forth in these two spots. So what I need to do is like sort position to move to so that she doesn't walk to the first one. I think the position goes from left to right, top to bottom. So that's probably the first one. This time we're talking about video games. Piggly, how did you get here? Are you lost? Piggly, this is MMOs. It's just numbers on screen. So what we need to do, or what I need to do, is turn this down, because I don't want to listen to Hebron. And maybe carrot. Here's your carrot. Actually, do I have carrots? I don't. I got a meat and a white herb. So what I want to do is basically what the sniper is doing now is if there's a boss on screen and this character is the sniper and this boss is on screen, then I do some stuff where, okay, if you're standing on Numa and the tank is there, then find a spot to move to, essentially. But what I need to do is... Okay, so this is getting all the spots. I'm gonna do... First off, shut up, Hibram. I'll put on another replay while I'm doing stuff, I guess. All I have is Abby videos. I don't have anything interesting. Or how about this? There. I'll just leave that on while I'm doing stuff. So, we'll say my... I don't want to do this. My position... Oh, did I already do that? Oh, I did. My day positioning version equals 1. So So this will be the existing one. I'll just move this in here so I don't lose it. Then in this version, I want to let's figure out what we want. We'll figure out what I want to do. I want to. Sorry, I'm probably not going to be talking much in. I'm not going to be as interactive in this stream because this is like I'm just going to work on stuff, and when I have to think, I stop talking. Ah. Do you have a public release now? I'm not enough on Discord, so you don't know. So far, I've released a bunch of stuff. I did. Actually, I have a GitHub. Oh, I don't think I posted my GitHub, but I do have it. Let's just go there. Let's just jump into it. I have released these plugins. So this is a smaller version of my leader script. This is a broken item thing. It's mostly just for like if an item gets removed and it's broken, you can like have a macro. Basically just a character says in chat, I need repairs, so you can tell them to, you can do an auto macro so that they go back to town. Sure. Route use go. This is instead of this, basically just this, so they use @ commands. So when they're going to a place with a town, instead of walking there, they'll just do like @ go. If they need to go to Einbrock, they'll do @ go Einbrock. Talking is difficult. Mobs in range. This is just something that I made a long time ago. That's 2014. Damn, I made this 10 years ago. This just checks monsters in range, so ignore my variable names. This it's like if there's 5 monsters in a circle, then it'll use Stormgust. That's old. Devotion Flash. This was a fix for Devotion not transferring Autoguard and Defender. So whenever the character does Devotion, it will wait and then flash them. So it'll recast them so that the devoted target actually gets them. Random chance. There's nothing special. It just adds a random. It has a random chance. Ground clearance. This is checking for. Don't read that. I didn't update that. That's interesting. This is an extended ground check. So I use extended ground check right here in my plugin, where do I know a guy named Sola Soul? I do not. Yeah, that's just more ground check stuff. You can read it. What I was trying to do for this is like, so the way the ground status check works in OpenCore is that it only checks if the cell that you're standing on has the ground effect. But Numa has an AoE, so it's where you're standing and then cells around it. So this extended ground check will yeah, for this one. So if it's Numa, it'll check if there's Numa in the cells around it. I was going to do that for all the AoE things, like Stormgust and Lord of a Million. But they don't work the same way Numa does. Those AoE spells, you can't identify They don't put storm gust cells on the ground. They just put magic cells on the ground, and those could be anything. My old official server, his bots are advanced as yours. That's cool. Yeah, like I haven't played an official server in probably 10 years. And it was IRO when I was playing last. We don't need this. What we need to do is step 1, find all valid cells, put them in. I guess an array. I think it's way back 2010. I mean, if they were playing on IRO, I didn't know any botters. I did my best to. One of the reasons that my bots kind of behave the way they do, with like spreading out and sitting down and not attacking the same enemy and all that kind of stuff, I did all that when I was playing on an official server because I didn't want to look like a bot. But now I do it because I don't know, I like the way it looks. It looks cool. Step 2. Oh, replay's over. We need another replay. I need a long replay. Oh, there's one. 17 minutes. Let's go. Oh, it's an old video. He has an army of hunters in Moscovia with a blacksmith station in some area for loots with a priest patrolling to buff and warp them. It's Philippines, RO. How did he not get banned? That sounds so horribly obvious. What the fuck? Do they just not care? It's like as long as you pay money, it doesn't matter. I guess they just don't care. I forget how to push stuff. Get points for warping? What the fuck? He like keeps. That's. I mean, that's really cool. I like the idea of that. I'm just like, how does he get away with it? So we don't need this anymore. This doesn't do anything. If you earn enough points, you can redeem it. What the fuck? They just give up on bots. Good. I mean, the funny thing is that even when I bought it on the official server, I never really did offline farming or anything like that. If I ran a bot, it's while I was playing the game. And whether or not that makes it better, I don't really care. I wasn't supposed to be that it was better. It's just like I wanted to play the game, and bots were just how I liked playing the game. But yeah, I love if more servers let people bot. Okay. So we should have our valid spots here. Now we need to go through them. We'll say last distance. The latest server now, I monopolize warping business. I'm open the same way as warps are. Use points. They don't ban me because players benefit a lot. That's so bizarre. So you're playing on the officials now then? But now they killed Warp Business when they released World Ticket. Only played a bot, I only bought for Warpers because I enjoy a lot. Hey, I mean, whatever, man. Do whatever you enjoy doing. Some people like realistic farming simulator games. I like city builder games. I like games with resource management. Like, whatever makes you happy. If you like making a warper business, it's like, that's kind of cool because like you're not working with a, like a simulation inside a game. You're working with, you're building like a transit system it's not simulated, it's real. It's players actually using the thing. Like, I think that's kind of neat. Yeah, it's hard to implement a teleporting service on a server full of bots. Because anyone could just do their own. Or walk, who cares? Do you play bot Ragnarok server? You play bot Ragnarok server, right? What do you do with Zenny and refine equipment? Refine rates in your server are like an official service because take a weapon to +7, +9 goal. Yes, I do play in a Ragnarok bot server. The refine rates are the same as official servers. So, yeah, if you get something to +10, you're going to need a lot of items, a lot of alunium, and not a lot of Zenny, because like it's still only 2,000 Zenny to refine. But yeah, it's very painful to stuff to get something to a high refine. Like I have, I think the highest I have is a plus. Like I have a few +10s, but it's like level 1 weapons, which isn't that hard to get. But like the highest armor I have is +7. The highest level 3 weapon I have is, I think it's at the safe refine, which is like +7. So when I introduce you to the server, I just want to watch your bots because I enjoy it. Yeah, like playing on Asgard has been pretty fun. It's certainly much more fun doing stuff on a server with other people. Because, like, I've played on my own for a good chunk of time. Because, again, it's kind of like you with your teleporter service. Like, I just wanted to experience the world of Ragnarok Online because I hadn't played it in so long. You know, there had been like 8 years of updates and renewals. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to play and crank the rates on stuff and just play the game and do whatever and make my bots smarter. But yeah, Asgard's fun. There's more challenging things for me to do. I've done a lot more playing on Asgard's than I did when I was playing on my own server. Like even now, I'm trying to optimize getting a position. So really I just need to do this. Yeah, I think you're going to have a hard time building a transportation network when the bots can just walk everywhere and they don't care. Whoops. I need to collapse this so I don't accidentally edit it. Yeah, like I actually had. So when you're talking about like a warp service, okay, here's my big list of. This is my bot to-do list. Right here. Something fun and or pointless. Hero rental service. Rent one of my characters for a certain amount of time, 100,000 zenny for 1 hour. Characters wait in town with the chat open. When someone enters the chat, they say their rental mission, message. Message the character how long you want to rent them for. Deal the character the appropriate amount of zenny. The character will not follow. The character will follow whoever paid for them. So like, I get it. I get the service stuff that you want to do because I was thinking of something similar. Trust me, I get it. And we'll say lost distance equals so add this spot into valid spots, pop that, get the distance. If the distance is less than the last one, this is the new best spot. This needs to be out here. I actually don't like this mix. This is too chaotic. This one I've listened to too many times. This one I've listened to too many times, but whatever. Actually, no. I don't like that song. I remember that. Synthwave compilation? Where's the one with the pixel art? Is that it? No, that's not it. Uh-oh. Is it gone? Oh no. One of my favorite other players can run. Yeah, that was the idea. I haven't got around to it yet. That was just one idea I had. There it is. Jeez. Synthwave Volume 2. Yeah, that was the idea behind it. But it's in a big list of here's stuff that I want to do. So as you can see, I have a lot of things that I want to do still. And again, this is just fun. Like, this isn't work. This is just stuff that I like doing. Okay, so we have our array of valve positions. This is last in's final spot. Both spots. This is undef. Then, well, this is done. If defined. I'm using Notepad to record players' info when they use my warp. What do you mean by using Notepad? Like, are you sitting there writing their names down? If defined. If final spot is defined, then we change spot to be the new final spot. And change this to 2. And make sure it runs. Oh my god, it runs first try. I'm sure I fucked up something though. This is the same, will stand. Push valve spots. I think I'm gonna change this. Maybe that's okay. Now, the unfortunate part is the only way for me to test this is to... I have my own plugin and I use write and scan function. Yeah, like you can write to a text file. Like this is how I write a text file. I open stream output and then this is my output and then I print the output. Or something more complicated like saving my boss timers. This is how I write the boss timers. And something like this spits out oh wait, can I spits out this. And then this gets read. Is it like load timer? Read timer? Open? Oh, it's here. So this is how I read the data. So this gets converted here. I don't use Notepad, I use a text file. So this spits out a text file, and then I read that text file. Notepad has nothing to do with it. I could open this in anything. Like if you want to spit out to a like a SQL database, maybe. I don't know how to do that in Perl. That replay's over. Do we have anything else that's really long? Niflheim. That's half an hour. Niflheim's not cool though. Komodo? I think that's boss fights. Niflheim. Niflfield. Limebrock Dungeon? I don't know what this is. Let's turn it on. The replays are botting stuff. Damn, this is an old one. I still have the Soul Linker in it. That's kind of it. Let me check my to-do list. My other to-do list that's on my phone. Okay, let's just put out a message here. Okay. It's a good thing that I went to write that message, because this distance check is wrong. I want to find valid spots that are closer to the character, not the target. So I want to move distance check is between valid spot and us. So I want to move. What's my progress on the rental bots? 0. I haven't started working on it at all. I've got a bunch of other stuff that I want to do. So like optimize. The main thing that I'm working on is like I want to optimize bots. Sorry, bosses. I want to optimize boss hunting. So this I'm working on for like Hibram to get better positioning on the sniper. And then another thing that I want to do is instead of walking around the map like looking for the boss, I'm gonna have them stop moving and then the priest will just teleport around looking for it. So spend like 10 seconds teleporting around looking for the boss. If they see it, they'll call out the position and then the whole party will walk over there. Because what they're doing right now is they're spending too much time just walking around. But for now, I want to see if I can get this thing to work. So I want to make sure that my messages are valid. So let's just check this one more time. I miss Piggly. Piggly, come back. I'm gonna put a carrot in chat. I don't know if Piggly's still there. Shit. Okay. Close this. I should restart this, but I'm not going to. Let's start up the gang. I think I started an extra character that I wasn't supposed to. Did I start crewing? I did. Do not want crewing. You can ask something. You might not get an answer, but you can ask. I haven't done that. Like, if you post something, if you post it in here, okay, here's what we'll do. If you post it in the Asgard Glories Discord, I will take a look at it at my leisure and give feedback. I cannot respond in Portuguese because I cannot read Portuguese. So, like, if you posted a link in chat to, like, a GitHub repo or something, I could look at it on stream and tell you what I think. Or if you post it in the Asgard Glory Discord, then I can take a look at it. Sure. You can hear this. Although I might have my DMs closed. I don't remember. Why can I not sit? Why can I not move? Am I disconnecting? Why can't I move? Oh, I am disconnecting. Awesome. Love when that happens. It happens at least once a stream. Ah, no, stop. Stop! Damn it. Forgot to turn the AI off. Alright. I need to... Who are we hunting? Because if it's Hibram, then it's okay. We are hunting Hibram, okay. Go ahead. I'm just waiting for... Oh, there we go. They're doing storage stuff. I'm stuck in a macro. Once that's done, they'll go fight Hibram. And then I also have... I'm running the Archer on this computer too, so that I can actually watch all of this stuff that I just did. And if it crashes, then I'm just going to abort the boss, because I want to test this stuff. This is all I care about. Alright, go get him, team. Alright, it's going to be a long walk for them to actually get to Hibram, so I'm just going to go grab a drink. I will be back. I didn't get a drink, I got a carrot instead. If me chomping on a carrot is annoying, let me know and I'll mute myself. You know what? I'll mute myself right now. Yeah, that makes sense. Too many random people used to send me messages. And not even like, you know, scam messages. Just people who are like, people who are trying to be my friend. It's like, I don't know you, go away. Sure, you can add me. Just keep in mind, if you send me something, I'm not going to guarantee that I'm going to look at it. So just temper your expectations. So, unlike what I normally just bought on here on the left, this is not the character that we're watching. This is the sniper. So, she's got a little bit of different stuff than the regular character. You'll see stuff where, like the yellow lines where it says she's running for, yeah, like here. Running to Handwire for devotion. So that's just her trying to stay close to this guy. Even though she's not actually getting devoted, she's just trying to stay close to him. Yeah, like, I learned I learned this stuff by looking through existing plugins, but it's definitely, I get how it definitely helps having someone to be able to answer a question. It's like, hey, I don't know what this means. What does it mean? Like, there's so many times there's like, I'm looking for this information. Can you even just point me in the right direction? Like, don't tell me how to do it. Help me figure it out for myself. So, like, I get how that kind of stuff is, like, valuable. Am I muted? No, okay, good. I just want to make sure that I'm not, like, talking to nobody. Now I am going to mute myself because I'm going to eat this carrot. Also, like, a lot of the stuff in here, a lot of the stuff in here, like, I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. It's like, what can I do with the knowledge that I have? And sometimes I don't have that knowledge, so it's like, I don't even know where to look in the source either. I have, like, a general idea of, like, what's something in the game. Well, there's like a message that pops up here. I'll just search the source for that message to try and find it, because I don't know how else to get it, and because I don't have anyone to ask. Yeah, like, I had done some C programming a couple years ago. Or rather, it wasn't C programming. I needed to translate the C code into something else. But, like, I don't know how to program in C. I don't know what pointers are. I don't know how to dereference something. So it's like, where do I start? What does this arrow do? And I didn't have anyone to ask, so that's a pain in the ass when you're just trying to, like, I don't even know what to search for half the time. How do you search for what does the arrow do in C programming? It's it can be not frustrating. It is, yeah, no, it can be frustrating. It's just like, fuck, I don't know what to look for. So we're almost to Hebron, but in the meantime, for this boss teleport looky thing, I'm probably gonna add a new hunting step to hunting for bosses. So what they do right now is, this is first step. Step 2 is checking through the respawn timers to see if there's a boss that's gonna respawn soon. Step 3 is how they have a boss to look for, so go and find it. Step 4 is they found the tomb and they're waiting for the boss to respawn. Step 5 is just a setup step for step 6. And then this is any kind of post-hunting stuff, and step 7 is something went wrong, so the bot just sits there and waits, doesn't do anything. So I'll probably do something in like step 2.5 and be like, okay, do a teleport thing and search for the boss. But I haven't decided yet. So right now we're just checking, excuse me, this positional thing. We're almost to Hibram. Even now I don't fully understand how sub works. Sub is basically a function. That's really all it is. It's like in any other programming thing, like you say, you know, in C#, it's like void function. Well, like void isn't a function. Void is a return type of a function. Yeah. Oh, this song's a banger. Oh shit, there he is. Let's go.
Okay, boys, kill him.
Get him. Fuck him up. She's not doing lamp protector. There it is. Alright, this console is going by too fast. She's moving. Alright, move away. Stay there. Good girl, good girl. So she moves every... Okay, she moved away. Good girl. Arlen should be asking for mana, but she's not getting it. Move back. Oh no! She crashed! Why did she crash? Better follow 1202. So something here wasn't valid. So current target was, if this is defined... if this, do this, else, we'll do if, shit, they're dying. Oh no, they're dying. If this is, if this is not defined, don't die. No. I believe. No, it's not over yet. They can do it. God damn it. Get back in position. No, they're gonna wipe. Shit! No! Damn it. Alright, well... Hey, guess what? Fuck. We got a lot more time to, review that stuff now. So I'm gonna open... Errors... So ID must be provided. That was 12.1.2. Get undef. Okay, yeah. So 12.1.2. I changed this. So if... Yeah, no, they died. They need the... I don't know why they died without the sniper. I think it was because the sniper kills the banshees. And if the banshees are alive, they do too much damage, blah, 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 party wipe. So, get this. Get this. If this. Get this. If this is defined, get the actor. If this is not defined, try to get it this way. Yeah, that doesn't need to change. Because what I should do is, like, if it's still not defined here, then just don't do any of this stuff. Because I don't need to do these checks if it's still not defined. But I'll just put it to do. To do if target is still not defined, don't do any of the below checks. There is no point. I should... I'm gonna send them back to get more blue gems. Why am I not using Crater? Because I don't want to farm materials. I cannot be bothered to make acid bottles. That's why. If someone wants to make me acid bottles, I will get a creator. Well, here's the thing. I don't run these guys all the time. I run them for like 3 hours a week. And that's when I'm playing the game. So I don't farm stuff. I just get stuff for playing the game. So like the only poison spores I have would be from killing poison spores in Geffen Dungeon. The only fabrics I have are from killing Couvs in Niflheim. The only alcohol I have is from maybe killing a black mushroom. So if the character class requires me to farm for it to work, I ain't fucking doing it. That's way too much work. It's much more... You know what takes less work? Doing all this shit. Comparatively, it'd be easier just to get a creator who throws acid bombs. But that's not fun. We don't play Ragnarok for that. We play Ragnarok for this. All this delicious tech. Why are you stuck? Oh, she's not stuck. It's fine. What are they waiting for? There we go. I like the problem-solving aspect of it. The problem is that the sniper can't kill banshees if she's standing on Numa. So what's the solution? Get her ass to move off of Numa. And that's what we're doing right now. Oh my god, someone else hit 9. It's the warping system thing. Did we disconnect again? God damn it. Eh. And what do you do with that 20 million? That's the real question. How do you optimize your botting with... How do you optimize your teleport system with 20 million Zenny? Am I banned? Did they ban me? Did I get banned from a botting server? I think this happens to me at least... Oh, I said the last time. It happens to me at least once every stream. But I think I get banned at least once every stream, too. Hello, Mr. Soap. I just got kicked off the server. I think it might be done for the night if I can't get back in. You should save the money, use it to buy cool stuff. Yeah, well, that's what the money's for. Use the money to buy cool stuff, and then people use their points to redeem, and you give them cool stuff. That's what I would do. Put the money back into the system. Okay, so I can log in. Why can I not use the bots? The bots, the bots! Let me in, goddammit! There we go. We're back. We just did a resupply, so I need to turn that off so they don't do it again. God damn it. What did I do wrong? What? Oh, I did the wrong fucking bracket. I did roundy brace, not curly brace. Eh. Please. Please just let me in. Okay. Arlen is back. Let's get Sniper back. 3. Then we gotta log everyone else in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Go get him, Chief. I was trying to fiddle with everything last night to make an offline server. Wanted to use KRO0 client, but not sure what is compatible with OpenCore. I don't know what a KRO0 client is. Is there a specific episode you're trying to work with? Oh, you mean like X-Core 3 compatible? It should be like based on the packet version. Core. Source. Network. Is there a reason that you can't just use the same? Sure, but the client... Yeah. Like, all that stuff isn't stored on the client, per se. That's on the server. I think I played... Is that the one with... Is 0 the one with, like, the random the random like properties and shit that you can get on gear. Like you get a sword and it has like 5% damage to brute or something. The random options. Okay. Yeah, I played, I think IRO had a server. No, am I down again? I don't remember, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I did play a server like that years ago. I don't know if our Athena has that stuff, because I also haven't been keeping up with our Athena. So all I can say to you, sir, is good luck. Still disconnected. Fuck, man, I'm still disconnected. Yep. Can I do strike through on here? No. Let me in. Oh my god, we died. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna try one more time. And then I'm going to give up and cry. We were right at the portal too. Fuck. Okay. Start them all up again. I'm gonna reduce my, what's my bitrate at? Maybe it's a little bit too high. No, that's what it was at before. I guess I'm just being, I'm just unlucky today. That's all. Are you, I don't know if you're still here, Mr. Soap. I'm gonna talk to you as if you are. You said you were running a couple bots again. Was this your expanded party or just something else? XDRC, that is a horrible name. Oh. What is that name? X Dr. CX. XX Mr. Soap XX 2002. This isn't specifically, well, yeah, it's for Fallen Bishop runs. I'm sure I'll be able to use this tech in other spots. This is for position, having the archer reposition based on the current context. So if she's standing in Numa, she needs to move her ass to not be in Numa. So, you know, maybe there'll be other applications for that. But what I want to be able to do is just let them, if they can get through Hibram without dying, then it's a success. How did I come up with my character names? They're all from Innistrad, which is a set block in Magic the Gathering. Let's take a look, shall we? While it takes them a year to walk their asses back. What do we got? Hanwar Watchkeep. That is the Paladin. Gatstaff Shepherd. That is the Priest. Daybreak Ranger. That Daybreak Ranger is so cool. Look at that. Look how cool she is. Shut up. Crew and Outlaw. She's not in the party. Lambold Elder. That is the Wizard. Mondrone and Shaman. That's the Professor. Ulvenwald Mystics. That's usually my creator. Oh, there's more, but this is just the ones from Innistrad. And then, of course, the party leader, which is, it's your girl, Arlencord, which is a Planeswalker. Why are they stuck? I love anything with werewolves, so... Oh, they're stuck in veins. Oh, yeah. That's a remnant of when I used to play on the official servers. I would have them just say random stuff, so it made it seem like they're real characters. I have my Stalker Farming Turtle Dungeon. I'm just unlucky for freezer cards. I think I have a freezer card. What does freezer card do? And will I ever use it? What do you need freezer cards for? Maybe I need freezer cards for something. What are they for? Am I missing out? I didn't have to I didn't have to refactor anything to run on the bus. Oh, Robo Eyes? What do Robo Eyes do? Robo Eyes. Robo Eye. Oh, 2% attack power? Damn, that's really good. I'm gonna keep I'm gonna keep my freezer card and get me some Robo Eyes. No, I didn't have to refactor anything. It just does what it did before. The party, or the bus party, makes it run better, because then it gets information. The information gets updated more frequently, but it's not mandatory. It runs fine without it. Because what I'm doing right now is everyone, all the bots other than the leader and the sniper, are running on a different computer. So they don't have... obviously they only get to use bus party if they're running on the same system. Yeah, I only just started getting those custom items. I got the Hawkeyes. Ah! I got the Hawkeyes for the sniper. And then I was working on the healing mask for one of the priests, but it takes so long to get Gullenburst cards. I just gave up. I'm doing other stuff. This is the walking through Abby stream. No action, just Abby. I would love if like other people wanted to do MVPs, I would totally like send a couple of my characters into someone else's party. Like, because we can only have 8 people in a party max, there's still room for 4 other characters. Just join up with me. Join my party. But I get to keep all the good drops. I want to do, I want to do, not Thanatos Tower, I want to do, what's the other one? Endless Tower. I haven't done any instances yet, so Endless Tower is on my list. For Robo Eyes, you will need 2 Permitter, 2 Freezer, and 2 Solider cards. I think I have 1 Freezer. And that's it. The problem is that, like, I don't have anything that I want in Turtle Dungeon, so it'd just be, like, sending the bots there to farm, which is kind of boring. I will... So, where is it? So I have this. This is all the GitHub stuff. I have this small version of my leader. I want to do a small version of Better Follow. It's not going to be all that special, but I still want to make it anyways. And then I have this, the Better Walker Maker. I have to zip this before I push it. I just haven't done that yet. Oh, Mr. Soap. I don't think you were here for this. Please don't crash. Here's my here's my GitHub for public stuff that I'm going to be adding things to, if you want it. How do you plan on dealing with thorns? I don't plan on getting to thorns. Like, we'll have to kill Valkyrie. We'll have to kill Ifrit. That's not going to happen. Like, if I can get to floor 50, I'll be happy. Baphomet. Anything that does Earthquake. Yeah, there's no fucking way we're getting to the top. But there's still lots of stuff that you can get in there. Oh god, anti-malware service executable is killing my computer. Thanks, Windows. Appreciate it. It's good. Oh my god, fuck off. End task. This is so annoying. We just gotta wait it out. Twin Sword, yeah, it's available in pre-renewal. I remember... so... my experience with Ragnarok was like, I played for a couple years in like 2007. I think I played 2007, 2008, before renewal happened. Then I didn't play again until like 2013. So I did get to play pre-renewal a little bit before renewal came out. And yeah, Endless Tower was there. Brazilius was also there. It's weird that there's no Brazilius on this server, because I distinctly remember going to Brazilius and seeing all their like half-finished sprites because they like half-assed it. But yeah, I remember much more of... I like renewal way more than pre-renewal. But I do like the kind of simplicity of pre-renewal. I like not having to go to level 175. That's fucking nice. Mr. Soap said, you said you run all your bots on separate machines, so like multiple virtual machines. No, not like multiple virtual machines. I run it on another local computer. That's in my living room. and I just connect to it with VNC. I've never used a virtual machine, so I don't really know how any of that stuff works. That's how I ran my local server on that computer initially. The problem with pre-renewal servers, like, is that you just run out of content. Like, I don't know how many times you can do the same thing. It's like, oh, you play on a pre-renewal server and then you hit 99, and then what? You go play on a different one and do the same thing? That sounds fucking boring. But once I got into... I stopped playing renewal around level, like, 130, 140. Once every class could, like, use one skill to one-shot an entire group that had with instant cast, is like, okay, now this is boring. Because then there's no strategy, there's no party dynamics. It's just everyone do your big AoE because everyone has an AoE. And it's like, okay, well, I'm not interested anymore. Alright, we did it. We made it back. Everyone, give me your energy so that we don't disconnect again. Please. I beg you. Where's wood? I need wood. Knock on wood. Okay. Like, wizard sucks ass. Yeah, ranger does arrow storm. Knight does 100 spear. Creator does cart cannon. Just like everyone just does their AoE. I like the Dorums though. I liked 100 Spear. I didn't use Dragon Breath. Oh, and the other thing is, like, the game just got way too pay to win. Like, when you require, like, look at the mechanic. The axe skills need items that come from the cash shop to not be complete ass. It's like, that's how you design a pay-to-win game. And I'm not... Like, I just gave myself those items, but it was still like, okay, well, now what? Now everybody kills everything in one hit. It's like, oh, no, it's still fucking boring. I like the Dorums, though. Those things are cool. Oh. Ah. Go up there. Okay, alright, round 2. So now what we're going to watch for is the archer. There's Numa. She is not moving. She's not moving at all. Really? She's not moving at all? Maybe is she not in Numa? And she's definitely in it. I'll have to check the logs afterwards and figure out why she's not moving. Because the problem is that, yeah, now she's missing the Banshees. Which is what the whole point of the moving out of the way functionality was for. Yeah, she's just staying put. I can see the message saying that she's trying to move, but she's not moving. Weird. Oh, no, there she moved. Okay, and then she groups up. Oh, I should have been recording. Shit. Ah, there might still be time. Okay, she moved. Then she grouped up, then she moves out of the way, groups up, moves out of the way. Groups up. Yeah, I only got 30 seconds of that. Shoot.
We got some competition.
Alright. Well, let me... Did we get anything good? We got a Wand of the Occult. Ooh. Trash. Oh yeah, like, they can kill it. They could just kill it better. That's the thing. I want to optimize it. So, okay. So here's her... We got a spot, moving to 246. But she just wasn't... So it's firing. Where's we got a spot? And it was using the right one. Right? So we want not near Numa. Wait, that's weird. So here. Here.
We got some competition.
So she moves to a spot without... Oh, shit. That's why. Okay, so there's the problem. I see it now. So my code for moving her only checks to see if spot is defined or not. So here you'd be like, okay, well it only sets the final spot if it gets one that's valid. But that's not true. because I use, like here, I don't assign it to anything, so it shouldn't work. But I do assign it to something. I assign it here when I'm doing the first pass, which I should not do. This should be, so this always gets set and used, even though it shouldn't be, because I fucked up the order. So this should be, I think I can do my temp spot. And we check the line of sight. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. So this should always be undefined until it gets down here. Optimizing the sharpshooting angle. It's not about optimizing the sharpshooting angle, like I guess it is. It's about like making sure that she's not standing on a Numa. Because if she tags a Banshee, the Banshee will run over and try to hit her. And if she's standing on a Numa, then she can't kill the Banshee. So I just want her to be able to kill the Banshees if they run over to her, because she's got devotion on her. And if she keeps getting hit, then the tank takes more damage, and the more damage the tank takes, the higher chance it is of getting killed. So, yeah, it's optimizing her positioning. So that explains why this is by itself, without, unlike this one, which has all of these. It's supposed to check, like, get a big list of locations, and then get the best one of those locations, and then move there. So I'm curious of how many times it did this without actually doing a check. My guess would be a lot. There's another one. There's another one. Yeah. Yeah. So it was happening like, I don't know, 50% of the time. So then some other time, some other day, I'll go back to Hibram and check it again and see how it works. Oh, I got a ribbon. Nice. You know what? Fuck it. Because Mr. Soap is here. We're going to Juperos. Even though you could just watch a VOD of me going to Juperos. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. I usually stop around this time, but I'll let it run a little bit longer. I am still gonna stream again tomorrow for the weekly Thursday stream. Tomorrow's goal is to finish the Keel entrance quest. I've got all the characters up to actually going into the little cave and fighting him. So we're at step... where are we at? I am... here. So I gotta go in there, do all the key bullshit, and then fight him, and then get this stuff. So that's my plan for tomorrow. Okay. I'm gonna take your advice and not do Keel. Let's go kill an Atros. That's faster. You mean the quest Keel or the boss Keel? Because if it's the quest, I can come in with you. And help you kill it, if you need help. Yeah, if you look at, where was it? Power device. If you need help with this quest, and are bringing party members along, they need to have reached at least step 43. And it doesn't matter if they have finished the quest earlier in order to follow you in. And all of my characters are finished up to here. So if this is not lying, then I should be able to help. I don't know if they need to be in the party or not. It says bring party members along, but there's only one way to find out. Ah, I need to set up my merchant again. Someone bought all my garbage. Well, I got a fat party. House, what is that? 500,000? Ah, it's cake. Oh, he only does 3,000 damage? You want it? Here, I'll show you how... Here's how I did Keel Quest. I'm sure other people have made this stuff before. This is the Keel Quest. Woo, that was fun. Oh shit, I sent them to the wrong map. Which is the one directly... Where's Veins? Oh, it's... Veins fielded too. Dude, it took so long. Because it's not just like doing it... Oh, it's not like, oh yeah, I'll do it once and then it works. It's like, no, no, no. You do it once and then it breaks. And then you do it again and then it breaks. And then you did a typo and then it breaks. Like, it fucking sucked. I don't think I would ever do... I don't know if I'll ever set up a quest that way again. It was a huge pain in the ass. Yeah, how many steps is the sign quest? $25. 35. 42. 52. 56. 67. Oh shit. 72. 75. 84. Oh my god, there's 84 steps to the sign quest. Holy shit. Yeah, like I do want to go into Gefenia, but fuck man, 84 steps. I don't know if I can do this again. The 75 steps of the Keel quest kind of killed me. But at least the Keel quest is interesting. I like the story of it. Like I didn't just do it to do it. Like I did it and like read all the NPC dialogue for the stuff that's interesting. Like I'm not gonna read the dialogue where it's like, oh, you look at the painting and then there's a mountain, or you look at a vase, then you destroy it and there's green goo inside. It's like, okay, well, I don't give a shit about this stuff. But like the robotic stuff and like the character dramas and going through the old mansion, like that stuff is cool. Because that's like that. I didn't do that stuff when I originally played either. So like doing the Keel quest, that was the first time I've ever done that stuff. Ah, that was pretty cool. Atros is a punk bitch. Seriously. Goodbye, Atros. We hardly knew ye. We got anything good?
We got some competition.
No. Hey, thanks for showing up, Kira. I will accept your friend request. Send me whatever you got. I'll look at it if and when I ever feel like it. Hopefully we'll see you next time. If not, the VODs are always there. Play on Asgard more. Do I have a spare Ools cap? I might. I actually don't know. Once I got one, I stopped hunting it. Because it doesn't have anything else that I care about. What does he drop? I think I have all of his drops. Except the card, obviously.
We got some competition.
Ah, well that's a shame. But good luck with your server. I hope you have fun. Yeah, I got this. I got this. I got a shitload of these. I got too many rings. Yeah, the only thing I don't have is this. I don't know if this is what it does in pre-renewal. All of my item information is based on renewal, just because I use my renewal client to play on Asgard, so I don't actually. So like the Hawkeyes, I don't have the correct information on here. But yeah, thanks for watching, Kira. I'm going to tell everyone to turn off. Oops. Go away, idiots. This guy's been standing here for a long time. But what do we got? What do we got in the old guild storage? No, what were we looking for? Armor. Oh yeah, forgot about that. I do not see Newell's cap. Nope. Don't have one. I guess I could have just searched from the beginning. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining and chatting, Mr. Soap. I am gonna call it here. It's 11 o'clock. I will be back tomorrow evening, aiming to start at 9 p.m. EST to 11 p.m. EST, so around the similar timing as today. And I want to finish the Keel quest, and then I want to kill Keel. That's a fun sentence to say. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. Yeah, if you like Ragnarok, if you like botting, give the channel a follow. I don't just post Ragnarok Online stuff, I post other stuff. So if you do subscribe, you might see things that aren't Ragnarok. You don't have to watch them, I don't care. This isn't a Ragnarok only channel, I'm just on a Ragnarok binge lately these days. So yeah, that's it. Have a good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Take care, and we'll see you next time.